All right, guys, here we go again. Another MTM. Carrying the kids to school now. Everybody is ready. Loading up the car and all these things. So the garage I get clear now. That means that things are going, people. Yeah, yo. All right, so Jax, you good? How you feeling, chap?
Very good.
Yeah.
This morning was a good morning. It was a great morning. It was just a great morning.
Yeah, I love that. I love that approach to the day. It's from the day start good, you know. That means like.
The day is just going to be good.
Yeah, I think so.
I was hopping yesterday. Yesterday was pretty good.
Yeah. All right, let me check on these critters. Hey, relax now, guys. Your brothers, man. Come on, stop.
Daddy,
stop the fighting so
Daddy.
early in the morning, bro. Juku. Yeah. You good?
I can't wait
All right, come, guys, come. There we go.
I know the room isn't ready yet, but I decided to come and have coffee in the place where I plan to have coffee, just to feel like we're ready. So, yeah, I'm out here. Isn't this wall behind me so beautiful? I can't wait to show you it in all its glory because it's really gorgeous. You'll be seeing this on my birthday, guys, which I can't believe it's been a year. You remember how last year I had my birthday party and I was setting up for that, and gosh, I can't believe it. We're gonna be doing something fun for sure. But I want to take this opportunity to say that I am probably not gonna have a new vlog for you on Monday. I am gonna take the weekend off, and so we will figure out something to put up for you guys, maybe a rerun of an episode on Monday, and we will be back on Wednesday. I just wanted to after the last couple of weeks and just have a little break. I haven't taken a break in a long time, as you guys know. I mean, even after Ivy was born, I didn't miss a vlog. So, and I'm saying I didn't miss a vlog, we didn't miss a vlog, but I edit all the vlogs, as you guys know. And it takes up a good chunk of time, a good chunk of headspace, and I kind of just want this weekend for me to not be thinking about anything, because normally for the Monday vlog, I have to edit on the Sunday. But the nice thing is that the Wednesday vlog will be full of what we're gonna do this weekend, which I think you guys are gonna really enjoy. And then we'll get back and try and sort out the room so that I can actually do a reveal video. I can actually move it. Anyway, let this wall entice you in the meantime. I love it. If you're curious, this is from Active and it's called Shellstone. And it's amazing, especially for outdoor, because you can just hose it down all the nooks and crannies. But doesn't it just look like it's gorgeous. I can't wait to see. I can't wait to show you it all together. Anyway, Wayne did drop off for me this morning. I'm not going to the gym because honestly, guys, I am knackered, and so I'm just having my coffee. I have my planner beside me, and I'm gonna see what can get accomplished today.
All right, so guys, dropped off all the kids now and heading back home to get the day officially started. We have a whole heap of work, as you guys know. Every day we reiterate the fact that we are so fine-tuning everything, hoping to get. By the way, guys, Tami's birthday is tomorrow. As a matter of fact, Tami's birthday is now, in the sense that if you're watching this and if you're a first cousin, I watch the videos on time. Tami's birthday is today, June the 14th. And you know what's so interesting about Tami? She's editing a video. She's gonna edit the video on her birthday. Guys, she works so hard, and I think she deserves all the love and the celebration. You guys can tell her happy birthday today, or you can wait until we show you what we been up to, or what we went up to for her birthday. And remember, if you want to do something for her, you can subscribe to the channel all the way to 300k, that we say. See? I have a jam-packed weekend of good vibes and stuff. We want Tami to enjoy herself this weekend, so we're looking forward to that. Let me get back home and get the party started. Tami, pre-birthday celebrations going on now, you know?
Celebration, pre-birthday, work-aration.
Oh, you mean in a work-aration, same way as celebration?
So much to do in.
I tell the entire delegation, say, I'm going to big you up on your birthday, because you realize
this rain drop on the birthday.
Exactly.
Yeah, I know, I'm so excited. We have a lot to do though, and we gotta get going. I need to literally get myself together. We have to go to the hardware, we have to pick up a couple things there. We have a couple more things to get sorted in the room. Outside is happening.
Yeah, paint, I forget.
You know what I need, which is so random? I need like a lampshade holder to go on the lamp, because one of the lamps don't have the actual lampshade holder. I need to find that. We need to get some paint. No, sir.
Yeah, yo. And, you know, tell them, so we're going to get for test drive the big vehicle.
I was keeping it a secret.
Yo, but that's what we have to go do first.
We're going to do that first?
Yeah, get ready, my G.
Oh my gosh. Say less!
Alright, guys, so we're ready for the road right now. What's the first stop?
A Toyota?
Hey, you look good still, you know? Hey, she look good for...
41 Wayne. 40 and couple hour. Yeah, talk to the Maureen when we want to say it was a shock to him.
Watch it now. Watch it now.
Yeah.
Eva. Yeah.
So, alright, we're gonna go for a vehicle with match her. We're going for a vehicle right now, a Toyota, where look good like she.
Yeah. Me I drive it or you drive it?
Well...
Oh, come on.
No, you look the part still. So guys, we put in our name for a test drive of the new product for a while now, and our weekend now. So it so happens that it's Tami's birthday, so we are going to enjoy it for the whole entire weekend. It's not normal.
Ooh-wee.
My girl hell-bent on sleeping in her new room for her birthday, you know.
I am. And it's going to happen. We are going to be setting up the bed and all of that stuff today. There are a few last minute things. Tonight I'm sleeping in my bed, put it that way. And I am very excited. We don't have up like window treatments yet or anything, so I will stick up some sheets, no problem. But you know, I was looking through everything that I have for the room, and you know, there are things that I got here. Obviously, there are things that I got on Amazon. And I was thinking to try to, at some point, culminate all of the things. And I guess as I go along, I'll be able to do it. But I want to revive my Amazon storefront. But even like Active, they do this cool thing anytime like we do like a reno on their website where they put like our pics. It's called like MTM pics or something like that. And I was actually on the phone with them today, and they were saying that they're going to do that again with all the tiles that we chose, or you know, the bed that we chose and all that stuff. So it's nice to have them kind of centralized, because you guys always ask me, oh, where did you get this or where did you get that? Oh, thank you for saying about my trunk thing, Wayne.
Your trunk thing?
My trunk thing. You highlighted my trunk thing.
Your trunk
but
thing.
that was not Amazon. I got that at Price Smart.
Oh,
you
really?
better get it right. So that one I actually got at Price Mart, and it was definitely a good buy. I think I need one double the size, so I might need to get two.
Really?
You're not even listening to me.
I am.
Ladies, you know when your husband tune you out? I'm tuning you out.
No. I'm thinking about other stuff too, but I'm hearing you. Of course I'm hearing you.
He tuned me out.
No, I didn't.
It's normal to do that.
No. Actually, I'm thinking about you. So like I'm thinking about your birthday and how I want to make that special for you.
Oh.
That's what I was thinking about, just to be honest.
Okay. Thank you for thinking of that.
Yeah.
That's very sweet.
Yeah. So I was lost, but I was lost in you.
Oh, Wayne,
Lost
please.
without you.
I can't. Nana is actually in Colorado at the moment, visiting with Tanya and Rachel
Yeah,
and the
so that
family.
she's in Colorado. That's crazy.
I and she sent me a little video. So I'm gonna I'm gonna pop that video in for you guys right now, because Nana is in Denver.
Guys, here I am in sunny Denver with my beautiful family who you haven't met, and Stu, who don't want me to talk. I'm having a grand time, and I hope to probably see you guys all in September. You'll see me more on the bits. But happy day, guys, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers at MTM. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.
Nana walked down the place. She got on her morning trail with Rach and Stu. So yeah.
Alright, so what we can do for the Monday video is I'm gonna save my cut upload for Monday.
Good idea.
So you guys can look, you're not gonna see the typical MTM, but I'm gonna upload the cut episode with Dane and Lo and TJ for Monday, 12 p.m.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, that's a good idea, Dan.
Yeah, it was a good vibe. So we'll fill that gap, and then you have your break. And
Oh yeah, I'm
Yeah,
looking
is that-
forward to kind of not thinking about that for Monday. So, yeah. I just called your dad on the vlog. I call your dad all the time to the kids. So it's not that I'm confused that he's my dad. But yeah. So yeah, I know you guys will be totally understanding of the break on Monday. But as Wayne just told you, he has something planned. So we're not leaving you high and dry. I just need a little break. That's all, you know. So, and we're gonna come back bigger and better than ever, as always. We are heading to Toyota Jamaica right now. We're going to the Spanish Town Road location. I'm very excited about trying out the new product. Have you guys seen it? It's beautiful. I love it.
In
Light and living color.
2, 3.
Oh?
50, you know, my G. 50, you know, my G.
I love it. It's nice.
Bad.
It's nice. Let's put the car seats in there. I go for Miss Ivy. I love it.
Listen, it will push for the day.
Yeah, then no more. Look at me, I drive it till it drive out. You're a joke.
Bad.
What's up? What were you doing
I've
today?
been here waiting on it
Have you? Why?
because I wanted to grab it, look,
Come now.
and then I have to rush off.
Oh,
Don't you?
Kev?
This is my CCR.
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
We just picked up the new Prada, by the way. Did you see something?
The new one?
Prada. Oh.
You never saw
I
it?
looked through the window
We had
and
test
saw
drive
the
it.
demonstration.
Yeah.
Play it. That's why I said to you.
Somebody is driving
Somebody
after
is
now.
driving behind you.
Yeah.
That is what.
Yes, but just for the weekend. Yeah, just for the weekend.
Oh, just for the
though.
weekend.
Nice. You're very dressed up though. Where you at?
Oh,
Me know you do something today, you know.
You know, I'm always on the go.
Go.
Yeah. So I came to see you, but then I'm off now to the CCRP office to book my spot for the trip to Bamboo Beach Club
Oh, what is
CCRP.
on June 22nd.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
very
in 5
nice.
months.
Oh, very nice.
What's CCRP though?
Thank
What
God.
does that
I
stand
made you
for?
feel full like that. I know it's what else.
It is the Caribbean community for retired persons.
Oh.
Seniors of this world.
Yeah.
You have to be over 40. Well, you know, your people are retiring early.
I was gonna say,
Either
can
retired,
I sign up?
Tami in a
either
business.
retired or soon to retire.
Oh.
You become eligible. So in truth and in fact, you can
No way.
look at it.
I could actually sign up for CCRP now.
So what kind of what kind of benefits them have?
All kinds of benefits. They have a beautiful health plan, a group health insurance plan, which works well. I'll give you an example. A friend of mine just did surgery, call it minor, and her bill was 1.2 million. She paid 110,000.
Never.
Yes. So that's just an
Never.
idea of the kind of benefits for that.
Yeah.
Then they also have insurance for motor vehicle,
Yeah.
property,
Uh-huh.
your house and so on. All kinds of other benefits from over 100.
Oh, I should tell my dad.
Over 100 partners, discount partners who offer discounts up to 20% in all kinds of areas across the board. Automotive industry, pharmacies, personal care, fitness programs, physiotherapists.
Wow.
They are all coming on board gradually and offering these discounts.
I love that.
And so it's
Okay.
really great.
You know, I
But-
always forget that you're retired because you're so busy.
Thank you very much. But that's the idea.
I love
We're
it.
living life to the fullest.
I love it.
Going on a trip on the 22nd of June
Watcha?
down to have you been there, Bamboo Beach?
No, I haven't.
This
I
is
heard
just
it's nice.
this is just one of a lot that has happened already, you know. Oh yes, man.
Yeah.
And the last time I must tell you, I was late.
No.
We were going, and I got there too late. Said no, that's why I'm heading out there now.
No.
No.
I love it.
So I want your fans to know that we're definitely going around the move, and they need to get on board. And
love
for
that.
much more information, visit the CCRP website.
Watcha?
CCRPonline.org.
May I tell you?
Understand?
CCRP Momo, but I said this now.
Yeah.
Look here, it's bathing suit, very good.
That is it.
Understand me?
Sound good. Sound good.
We live in life.
Alright. I forgot to pick up Ivy.
Yes, okay.
No, Mama says bathing suit.
Hi.
Hi, honey. Hi, Daddy. What's this? It's pink. That's the color.
She looking around, you know, she very
She
observant.
literally
You know?
had her head out the car a while ago, like, what is? And then as she came in, she said, what's this?
What's this?
Yeah, we're in a different car this weekend, Mama. It's like our other car's younger hot sister. Younger hotter sister.
Hey, Pooksy.
Where you get this car? Where you get this car?
Come now, man.
Now you buy this car?
Come now, man.
You get this car? Now you get this car.
You have too much questions, man. Come in, now, man.
Now you get this car? You get this car? Dad,
Huh?
do you get this car?
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
We got it to drive for the weekend.
Go.
It's cool, right? It's cool, right?
Super cool.
I know, literally. Alright, come, put on your seatbelt, please.
Okay. Where is my seatbelt?
It's over there. Go over there in that seat over there.
Right here?
No, go over there, go over there, go over there, go over there.
Like, I can't believe you just buy this car. Buy this car. I can't believe it.
Oh, go on.
Hi?
Hi.
Confused. Why?
Come on, my G, put it back in.
Wait, what is this? Is this the same car? Wait, is this the same Toyota? Wait, Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Wait, are we keeping this forever?
No, but if you guys like it, then maybe we can think about it.
Yay! Same car.
Yeah, man, respect.
Oh, actually, no, it's not. It's not a range.
Respect it up. Andy. You know, Andy from our, you know, me and Uncle Andy is coming back from when we were like
Woolmar's
little,
3 years old,
like
4 years
see where my
old.
knees are now.
That is it.
That's where we're coming from. The height when I was at the height of my knees. That's where me and Uncle Andy are forward from.
All right.
Wow.
Kindergarten and right up.
Kindergarten.
Yeah,
Right,
intermediate.
Intermediate. Ah.
Before K1, K2,
No, but they
K3.
never have nothing. We have kindergarten, intermediate.
Yeah,
Them
yeah.
don't know about that part.
And
there.
that's where I forward
You see
from.
how far we coming?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, man. All right, Andy.
My bro,
Yeah,
you
man.
know.
Yeah, man. Everything.
all right,
Respect.
all right.
This, I love this, Daddy.
Sick, right?
Please keep it.
Please keep it. It's just a test drive for the weekend.
Last night a magic wizard came to our house last night and turned this.
When I saw you
Or not last night.
step into that car,
You were so confused,
I was
right?
so confused.
You know, I was looking around, I was like, where's the car? And then Brown was like, look. And I was like, oh, is that my daddy in the front seat? What?
I've wanted black wheels for so long, Dad. I've wanted black wheels for so long. And look what we have now.
Atlas, what?
I've literally wanted black wheels for so long. You're going to the adoption center.
Oh my God. No, dude. You can't sell out sure for unsure, Bridget. You giving away a bird in the hand for one in the bush, bro? What you just call me? Huh?
Where did you say a while ago?
I'm gone. What? What he said? Wayne?
Say Wayne. Say Wayne.
Who you calling Wayne? I'm Daddy.
Oh, Wayne. Say Daddy.
Ivy, who is this?
Daddy.
Okay. Who is this?
Ivy.
Okay. Who is this?
Bobo.
Oh God. Hug
You're
up.
young Rasta.
Love you. Love you, love you. Oh, the moon. You see the moon is out in the day.
Huh?
I have a song about the moon that I made up by myself. You want to hear it? You want to hear my song about the moon?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Moon, are you hiding from us? Mr. Moon, are you hiding from us? So long I've been searching from dawn until dusk. Mr. Moon's hiding from us. Lady stars, can you see? Have you seen Mr. Moon? Lady stars, have you seen Mr. Moon? So long I've been dancing and singing my tune and still cannot find Mr. Moon. Moon. You like it? Nice tune? Moon.